Imagine stepping into the future of travel, where luxury meets innovation, comfort meets performance, and style meets technology. The futuristic motorhome isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement. Designed for those who seek the extraordinary, this motorhome is unlike anything you've ever experienced on the road. Its sleek, black and green exterior, accentuated with vibrant orange lighting, is a true marvel of modern design. As you approach, the aerodynamic curves and futuristic lines seem to promise a journey that goes beyond the ordinary. As you open the door and step inside, you're immediately struck by the sheer elegance and compact luxury that defines the space. The suspension system, engineered to perfection, guarantees a smooth, stable ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through rough terrain. The suspension is designed not only for performance, but for comfort, ensuring that every journey feels effortless and smooth. The lounge area welcomes you with its L-shaped green velvet sofa, adorned with orange accent cushions, perfectly placed around a single floating table. The black-tinted panoramic windows let in just the right amount of natural light, but the built-in flush integrated blinds ensure your privacy whenever you need it. Soft golden ceiling lighting complements the atmosphere, casting a warm, cozy glow throughout the space. The entire lounge area is designed for compactness, with a narrow central walkway ensuring that every inch of space is used efficiently, without sacrificing comfort. As you move through the motorhome, the bedroom beckons with its low-profile rectangular double bed nestled against the wall. The champagne beige bedding creates a serene and inviting space, while the dark graphite walls provide a sense of calm and relaxation. Gold accents on the bed frame and surrounding furniture add an air of sophistication. The soft golden lighting throughout the room enhances the intimate, warm ambience, while the black-tinted windows with integrated blinds offer the perfect balance of privacy and light. The room is cozy, functional, and elegantly designed, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day of travel. Continuing your tour, you enter the dressing area, a walk-through wardrobe that maximizes the use of space. Full-height cupboards line the walls, with hanging clothes visible through half-open mirrored doors, while warm LED lighting illuminates the interiors, making it easy to choose your outfit. The sleek, slim vanity shelf with a backlit mirror adds a touch of elegance, allowing you to get ready for the day in style. The entire space is thoughtfully designed to provide all the essentials, while maintaining a clean and minimalistic look. Next is the kitchen area, a linear galley that embodies both functionality and luxury. The matte black cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the champagne beige countertop, while golden accents and satin metal trims add a touch of refinement. The integrated induction cooktop and sink are seamlessly built into the countertop, making the kitchen both sleek and efficient. There's also a small fold-down dining shelf with two compact stools, perfect for enjoying a quick meal or a drink. The soft golden undercabinet lighting highlights the kitchen's clean lines and modern design, while the black-tinted window provides privacy without sacrificing natural light. For those who need to work while on the road, the office space in this motorhome is a dream come true. The wall-integrated desk with a sleek green surface offers an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during long hours of work. The ergonomic office chair is designed for support, making it perfect for productivity on the go. The space is organized with slim shelves and drawers to keep everything you need within reach. The focused task lighting and soft golden ambient lighting create a productive yet relaxed environment, while the black-tinted window and flush integrated blinds ensure privacy and reduce distractions. Now, let's talk about the bathroom. It's a compact spa-like retreat that offers everything you need in a luxurious, functional design. The glass-enclosed shower provides a refreshing experience, while the floating vanity with an integrated sink keeps the space feeling open and airy. The lightstone surfaces contrast beautifully with the gold fixtures and black accents, creating a refined, modern atmosphere. The warm golden spa lighting adds to the relaxation, while the soft backlit mirror ensures you always look your best. It's the perfect space to unwind after a day of exploration. Finally, we come to the cockpit, where the experience takes on an entirely new level of sophistication. The green and black color scheme continues in the cockpit, with off-white accents blending seamlessly with the design. The modern digital dashboard houses all the controls you need, from navigation systems to climate controls, ensuring you have everything at your fingertips. The ergonomic seats are designed for long drives, providing comfort and support, while the sleek design of the steering wheel and central console gives a futuristic feel to the cabin. The black-tinted windows maintain the continuity of the interior's aesthetic, offering privacy and a sleek appearance, while the golden ambient lighting sets the mood for a relaxed and luxurious driving experience. In terms of pricing, the futuristic motorhome comes at a premium, but it is well worth the investment for those who seek the ultimate in luxury travel. The price reflects the high-end materials, the cutting-edge design, and the state-of-the-art features that make this motorhome the pinnacle of modern road travel. Are you ready to embark on a journey like no other? Would you like to experience the future of luxury travel, where every detail is designed to perfection? Don't miss the chance to own this incredible motorhome and redefine your road trips. Click here to learn more and schedule a test drive today.